Welcome back. Here's what's been happening in SEO and AI this afternoon. Today, we're seeing groundbreaking advances in AI-powered code modernization, a new wave of vibe coding democratizing app creation, and serious concerns emerging about the impact of AI on open-source software.
Vid sponsor index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
Plus, a major security operation in the Go programming language has been uncovered. This highlights a powerful new framework for legacy code migration, emphasizing secure AI autonomy balanced with swift, transparent verification. In other news, a new trend dubbed vibe coding is empowering individuals without traditional programming backgrounds to create their own digital tools by simply describing their needs in plain language to AI. This democratization of app creation is booming, but it's also raising significant concerns about the security vulnerabilities inherent in AI-generated code. Shifting gears, a concerning report suggests the current AI-driven coding surge is inadvertently jeopardizing the very open-source ecosystem it relies on, leading to what's being called AI slopegeddon. This situation underscores the critical need for treating financial support for open-source maintainers as essential infrastructure investment. And here's a developing story: supply chain security specialists have revealed a sophisticated operation involving a Go programming language module that disguised itself as a DNS scanner but was actually an initial infection vector for Windows malware, with hundreds of repositories involved. Breaking this afternoon, AI agents successfully modernized Terence Tao's legacy code, uncovering bugs and even reviving abandoned projects. The Nobel laureate has showcased a remarkable achievement where AI agents transformed his 1999 Java visualizations into functional JavaScript within hours. This isn't just about modernization. The AI also identified 2 bugs in Tao's original code that had gone unnoticed for decades and even completed a special relativity project he had abandoned 27 years prior. This successful migration of complex legacy code serves as a potent demonstration of AI's capabilities in not only replicating but also improving existing software, linking autonomous AI operation with the critical elements of speed, transparency, and defined limitations in verification. Tao's original challenge involved a set of Java 1.0 applets he developed in 1999 to visually explain complex mathematical concepts like honeycombs and Besikovich sets. Upon reviewing the migrated applets, Tao discovered a single issue related to dragging elements beyond the display bounds in a complex analysis applet, a minor anomaly. This net outcome of improvements underscores the value AI can bring not just to migration but also to code quality assurance. The technical complexity of this migration is significant. The fact that Tao's agent accomplished this for 24 applets in hours, achieving a net bug reduction, represents a concrete technical breakthrough. It demonstrates advancements in AI coding infrastructure, particularly with tools like Claude Code, which operate on entire codebases and execute system commands, focusing on task completion rather than individual lines of code. A particularly compelling aspect of Tao's account is the revival of a special relativity visualization project he had abandoned in 1999 due to its complexity. This principle, characterized by speed, visibility, and boundedness of risk, directly applies to the coding experiment. Interactive visualizations provide inherent human observation for verification, making errors readily apparent. The convergence of Tao's mathematical insights with enterprise software engineering's approach to AI governance signals the robustness of this principle. This distinction between AI-assisted discovery and the critical need for human validation remains paramount across all fields. For engineering teams, the analogy of Tao's Java applets to internal legacy tools is striking: valuable but obsolete, too costly to rewrite, yet retaining significant worth if modernized. 3 key principles emerge from Tao's methodology: prioritizing tasks based on criticality and potential downside risk, meticulously documenting the AI-assisted process as an audit trail, and viewing legacy code as fertile ground for AI application, potentially offering a highly valuable, untapped use case for enterprises. Meanwhile, in the world of AI, vibe coding is democratizing app creation, but security concerns are mounting. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our lives, individuals without specialized technical backgrounds are increasingly creating their own digital tools. By articulating their needs in plain language to generative AI, anyone can now produce applications through automated code generation, a practice now termed vibe coding. This marks a significant shift, as previously, non-experts had to hire developers for their app concepts, but now, with AI platforms like ChatGPT and Claude, they can readily construct functional websites and applications. This surge in application creation is substantial. Data shows a significant increase in new applications on the Google Play Store compared to the previous year. However, this rapid expansion of AI-generated content is accompanied by growing concerns regarding security weaknesses. An academic study analyzing hundreds of thousands of programs created by prominent large language models found that a significant majority contained security flaws, with AI-produced code exhibiting vulnerabilities at a much higher rate than human-written code. This has already led to high-profile security breaches, such as a global vibe coding platform that left database credentials and source code exposed for weeks, and an AI social network compromised just days after launch, resulting in a leak of personal user information. A survey highlighted a vast number of publicly accessible assets, many containing sensitive corporate information, linked to AI-generated or low-code platforms, often with default public access settings. The platforms enabling vibe coding are not blameless. Big news on the SEO front: the open-source ecosystem is under threat from AI development. The current AI-driven coding boom, which relies heavily on open-source software, is now jeopardizing the very foundation it's built upon. This situation highlights a critical risk where development roadmaps implicitly assume free, rapid contributions from open-source projects, without adequately compensating their maintainers. A recent report suggests that increased efficiency for AI users, driven by AI coding assistants, is leading to an escalating volume of superficially correct but contextually poor contributions to open-source projects. Supporting evidence points to significant decreases in activity on platforms like Stack Overflow and traffic to documentation sites following the release of major AI coding tools. The significance lies in the operational shift from individual bug hunting to large-scale verification, a core aspect of substantial security work. The Ethereum Foundation's protocol security team is deploying specialized agents for reconnaissance, vulnerability hunting, gap filling, and validation, mirroring the division of labor in human audit teams. This multi-agent approach, where agents collaborate indirectly through shared systems, reduces the risk of a single flawed reasoning process compromising the entire security review. However, the Ethereum Foundation's paramount principle remains: an issue identified by AI is not considered a vulnerability until a human researcher can reproduce it using the actual codebase. This human verification rule is crucial, as AI-generated findings can be numerous and require significant triaging. For smart contract developers, the Ethereum Foundation's approach offers a valuable model. The AI agents are not infallible auditors but high-throughput security assistants, examining more code and suggesting more attack vectors than human teams could manually. The optimal approach, as demonstrated by the Ethereum Foundation, is a clear division of labor. AI agents conduct broad exploration, human experts perform stringent verification, and only reproducible evidence is advanced. That's your afternoon update. We'll have the full evening roundup later today.
Index backlinks and pages fast ultimateindexing.com. Enter social 20 for 20 discount at website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.